Well, Thorpe Park has a very deep meaning for us. Last time that we were here, actually the first time we were here together, which was the first time we recorded our TikTok video.
Oh yeah!
And it was also our first viral video.
That's so true.
And it was exactly 5 years ago. And this one TikTok started everything. And it took us on this whole journey, which now 5 years later, we're being invited here as VIP guests. It's actually mad.
When you feel it like
circle,
that, it's mad. I didn't even deep it that deep.
It's crazy. So man, we're here at Thorpe Park Fright Night. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna experience everything that we can experience.
I'm gonna go in the mazes, man. I'm trying to get scared.
You love this place.
I do love Thorpe
This
Park.
is technically all for you.
I love theme parks. I love all of these sort of stuff. There's only one ride that I haven't done yet in Thorpe Park, which is a new ride, Hyperia. I don't think you guys can see in the background, but it's over there.
Ready to go?
Yeah, let's go, man. He's following you. Oh, your fit is so cute.
Oh, is she a part of the show?
I don't know, but it's cute though. Oh my gosh, are you a vampire or something?
That was it.
Oh, my bad,
No, she got red eyes. She's a vampire.
Oh no, I think they're followers of
Satan.
Yeah. Do you guys follow Christ? I follow Christ. If they're following Christ, I'm following them. Babe, why are you leaving me with Babe, why are you leaving me? Someone help me. I can't do this. Why did you leave me? No, but he's following me. They're following me.
It's fine, because you scream like a wild boar.
Thank you
very much.
Don't breathe like a horse. He's breathing like you. He's always breathing.
Folks telling me I breathe like a horse, man.
He's breathing like us too much.
Hey, they got me. I breathe like a horse.
They caught him in 4K.
Are you hungry? Are we starting with food or are we starting with rides?
Nah, man, we're starting with something. You're hungry.
No, I'm fine. I can always eat. You know me. I can always eat. This is the iconic first video.
That's the one.
This is where history was made.
That's
oh my
mad.
God.
Oh, they got Stranger Things house.
Oh, we definitely have to go to the Stranger Things, bro.
They got a little Stranger Things imperial. Okay.
We're on the line now and they gave us some sweets, Stranger Things sweets. It's L. It's L, babe. Do the thing.
11. Oh, my brain. Hi.
Thank you. Welcome.
So, I'll explain what's been happening. We have had some very strange messages appearing.
Of course.
We'll have some letters appear in colour with the light. I need you to write them down and then decode each word.
Okay.
The best trick to do so, one reads them out and the other one writes them down. Okay.
You just write, I'm gonna call it
now.
I-K-E-M.
That's the first word.
Oh, did you say N or M?
M.
M, mother.
Was it spelled?
I chem.
We have to decode it, bro.
Oh.
IKEA.
Chemi.
Mike.
Mike.
Next one. Are we ready for the second one?
Yeah.
Give it to us. C-V-A-N-E. Ah! I missed it.
That's it.
Oh. Cave.
No.
C. Kane. Evening. Yvonne. What?
You want the last one? So at least.
Oh, okay, yeah. Go for it, yeah.
Go for it now.
A. H. C. U. D. P. S. P. C. H. U.
There you go.
There was no. What? There was no D. It was a P. It was a P. It was a P. Oh, Chupacabra. Oh. Wait. Hawkins. What are they called?
No, what are we?
Oh, Chupacabra.
Chupa what?
Chupa chops. But what's this one?
That one was Vecna.
Oh, what have I got that, man? I forgot about that guy.
We'll take a picture of you.
Yes,
Let's
please.
take a
We
picture.
can also use your phone if you want. Millie.
What, Millie? Bobby Brown is here.
Oh my
I thought
God.
you said Millie gonna come out of the corner. I was like, oh my God.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Give
We
it to
didn't
us.
win, but they still gave us the thing. Bless them. That's low-key what you needed because your
That's what
bag
I
is
needed,
too
'cause
small.
my bag is full.
What else did we get?
Sweets.
And we
Quick,
got
man.
socks too.
I'm gonna actually wear these.
And this is our Polaroid. I enjoyed that. I like that. It was a bit too quick, but I like that.
Oh my gosh, I couldn't even keep up. My eyes.
What's the next one, boo?
We gotta go to some mazes.
Let's go to some mazes then. Bro,
I'm sorry.
She wants to do this crazy ride. Don't go. Don't do it. I don't think you should be doing this.
I have to do this.
No, you don't have to do this. They stay here with me.
I've never done
This is
it.
scary ride. This is a tall ride. It's a scary ride, bro.
I know, I'm doing it by myself.
And you doing it by yourself. That's not a good thing. And she's gone. She's up there. What's wrong with her? Trying to do this. Why would you even do something like that? I'm happy here on stable ground with both my feet. How was it?
That was a rush, man. I got so much adrenaline right now.
She's back with me. I'm so happy that you're alive.
Whoa, I would do that again.
No, please don't. Please don't. You got lucky.
That was so quick, bro.
Was it scary? Because it was very scary going there.
Not like it's scary. It's so quick that you just can't think. The drops happen very, very quickly, so it's like you don't really feel it. First initial drop, that one there.
I saw it. Yeah, I saw it.
It's a bit like whoa. It was like I was literally in air for like 10 minutes, bro. It felt like my bum didn't even touch the ground. Like I was just flying. And also my head was doing the whole thing's vibrating, so my body's just like this.
Do you think I'll be able to hack it?
No. But at the same time, I feel like it's so quick that you wouldn't feel it. But because you're doing this, it's like your eyesight, everything is just jiggly.
Do you think I'll pass out if I try to do it though? Potentially. First maze of the day we have, what's that? Dead? What?
Dead bee.
Oh, dead bee.
Yeah.
I'm excited for our first maze of the night. Dead bee. There's gonna be a bunch of dead bee deaths inside probably.
Oh my god.
Come on, let's go.
Alright, hold on to me, bro.
We go and just hold together. Hold on together.
Party. And you're gonna drink, yes? We're gonna meet DJ Canistro very soon. So I hope you enjoy the party.
Oh, smell that piss in here, bro. Oh shit. Oh.
Whoa, touch me. Someone touch me. Someone touch me.
Oh, you got me. She got me. I didn't even see her. Oh, I can't see nothing.
I can't see anything.
Oh.
It's so oh my god. There's someone on the ground.
He's getting smaller and
Oh my god,
smaller.
there's someone on the ground. I'm missing.
Oh shit! Oh shit! There's someone there.
Follow them quick.
Oh shit! Follow the crowd. Follow the squad. We got lost for a second, man.
Oh my god.
Go in front of me, yeah.
Yeah.
Go in front of me. Go.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
Oh, he got me. Oh shit! Oh shit! No! God damn it! You got me! That wasn't that bad for a first maze.
It wasn't at home.
It was smelly though.
It was very
That was
smelly.
really good though. It's like you're in a scary movie or something like that. Did you say you're sweating?
I am sweating. I'm literally sweating.
Bro, they got me so many times. Last time I was here, they didn't get me at all. It's because I have the flashlight on my face and I actually cannot see anything.
Yeah.
I cannot see them until they're right in front of my face.
Yes.
I'm not gonna lie to you. Dead Beat, you should come here.
Yeah, that was
Dead
good.
Beat is a good one. It's worth it.
It was a good one.
It's just a bit smelly, but everything else is fine.
Yeah.
We're going through a walk-in scary maze, and I gotta turn the flash off, so it might get dark. 3, 2, 1, dark.
Oh, there's someone to the end.
Yeah, where? Oh shit! It's a scarecrow. Oh shit! Oh shit! He's coming. Oh shit! He's coming back again. He got me. He got me again. Oh, he's not there. Oh, no, oh god hell! Where did you come from, bro? Bro.
Son fucked out nowhere, man.
Like they blended in. Oh! Whoa! That was good. That was good. I got it. He got me. He got me.
No, don't touch me. No, don't touch me. No. We passed the section. He's the one. He's scared. He's the one that's scared.
Final boss.
He's the one that's scared.
No, I'm good.
He's scared.
No. Another one. Oh.
He's the scared one. You gotta get him.
No, I blinked. They got me. I blinked.
I told you. Oh shit! Now we're doing it by ourselves. Oh my god! Why are we in the ground?
No, they're still here. We saw people. They're gonna burn her. They're gonna burn her.
You guys got that. You guys got that. You guys got that.
Go. Oh. This is cool. That is cool.
Oh my God.
She let go of my hand.
me
That's
out
how
of
it
here.
starts. They're coming quick. They're coming. They're coming.
Oh, they stop it.
They're coming.
Stop it.
Oh no, they're not. Sorry.
Oh my God.
Mediterranean chicken, please.
Do you have any honey?
Long queues.
No.
It's actually not funny when you're out there. It's
Can I
actually
get
not funny.
Sprite, please? Mediterranean chicken, please.
Your Mediterranean chicken.
Thank you very, very much.
Yeah, all of it, please. Not bad though. It's big, very big.
It's very big, yeah.
We're back on track. We took a small little break to get some food. I mean, it was a big break. Cost us an hour. A fatal mistake we will never ever do again. But now we're back on track with the next
We actually
maze.
did waste an hour. Wow.
What's the name of this one?
Survival games.
Everyone says it's really scary and they touch
Okay,
you and
there's people.
stuff.
There's people.
I ain't scared.
I've done this one with Temi before.
Oh, you've done this before. Oh, so it's not that scary.
Don't remember if I'm completely honest. I might pee my pants because I need to pee.
Oh shit! Move now! Move! I'm going first. I can't see that.
Shit. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Go that side.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh no!
Go, babe, go! Oh my God!
Lord of mercy! Oh, there's a person! Why are you holding me like that?
I'm holding you.
Me such a rat.
I can't see nothing. I can't walk with you like that. I can't walk while you're holding me.
I'm sorry. Woo! I thought you were about to say. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
They got her.
I'm sorry.
They got her. They got her. He got me. He got me. Got it.
Whoa!
He's crazy.
Oh, she's not that bad.
Oh, shit. I want to go. What? Oh, she's smiling me.
Whoa! That's that dossier perfume.
You got me.
Let's go.
Oh, shit, there's more. Oh, there's more.
Whoa! Wait! God damn it, bro. Get me a freak out of it. Get me out of it.
It wasn't that bad. They didn't touch me, by the way. They said they'll touch you, but they didn't touch me. But that was good also. What's the name of this again?
Survival games.
Y'all need to come here. Maria was literally like this all over the whole time. She was like, And I was like, let me go. I can't walk. Let me go. She was like, sorry.
I was holding it from the back.
Hopefully we'll be able to catch one more or something.
Let me see the map.
Quick, see the map.
I want to do Stitches, the one with the dolls.
Let's do
So we
Stitches.
gotta go all the way across.
Me and you have this one luck. Every time we go to places like this,
Yeah.
Winter Wonderland, Disney is just freezing cold.
Yeah.
Even last time we were here, I think it was a little bit colder.
cold.
But now today it's actually calm. I'm wearing a hoodie and I'm calm. I think this might potentially be our last maze. Hopefully not, but depending on how long we have to wait. But this could potentially be our last maze for
think it
tonight.
is, yeah.
It's almost pushing 10 o'clock. What's the time? 9:41. Have we done this one?
Not that I can think of.
Oh, this is the first time for both of us. Then let's go.
I'm gonna pee myself.
Why are you gonna pee yourself? You're a grown-ass woman. Don't pee.
I'm scared.
Don't pee here in front of everyone.
I'm scared.
It's embarrassing, goddammit. We're going in and they asked us once again to remove the flashlight. Footage might be a bit dark in there, but it is what it is. At least you're gonna see what's up.
Welcome, my dear tourists. Friends, how's
vipers. They'll have you all
That was
in
good.
stitches.
Oh, it's a teddy bear.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
There's a person in a teddy bear costume that just jumps.
Lord of mercy.
Oh, wow. Okay, that's good.
Face is melting. I got heartburn. Wanna come in like
The phone.
screaming. Wow. That's amazing.
Where did this one go? Oh,
Oh my god.
I can't see nothing.
Oh, I cover myself in the blood of Jesus. No, I'm good. Ah, Jesus. Oh my God.
I can't see.
Whoa.
I can't see.
Whoa.
We're live.
Thank you so much, Thorpe Park. Oh my gosh, this was amazing. I loved it. I had so much fun. Well, I need to be back at this every single year.
And next time, not go eat in the middle of the thing. Either in the beginning of the evening or at the end of the night, we'll eat.
Yeah.
Because I'm not missing out on anything again.
No.
There was one maze that we missed out
Literally, the It maze as well.
on. That would have been nice.
Or it was a 4D experience. So we sit down in like a movie theater and it's like, that I really wanted to see, but we missed it. And that was a bit sad. At least we got a tote bag though.
I'm so happy that we got tote bag and two
socks.
tote bags and 2 pairs of socks. You got a drink and you got a...
I got a drink.
And you got a, what else? Candy? Sweets?
Lollipops, bro. But that Fanta though, this Fanta.
Fanta.
I hope you enjoyed Victor screaming.
I wasn't screaming.
Victor's like, oh.
Maybe a couple of times I was screaming about whatever.
He was like, oh, they got me. What's your favourite scare maze?
What Stitches? I like Stitches.
I think for me it was survival games. That one had me spooked. I was scared.
Yeah, that was good.
I didn't like that one. I was way too scared in that one.
Sorry. Hey, the kebab was smacking though.
I hate the fact we waited an hour to eat the food and get the food, but at the same time it was so good.
So good, dog. It was such
so
a good
it's
kebab.
kind of like it was worth it. I really enjoyed Hyperion. That ride is amazing. If you haven't gone on that ride, you need to go on that ride.
I'm not going on that ride.
It doesn't really have that feeling in your stomach that drops because it's so quick. It's almost like you're flying. I feel like my bum really didn't touch the chair. I was holding on tight. I was like, what? That when I came out, the adrenaline rush.
She was energetic. Like on 2 Red Bulls, bro.
Open.
On 2 Red Bulls, bro.
Like I was on the Celsius.
Okay, guys, we're gonna head home and see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a heart.
L heart.
We just ate a burger.
L heart.
And it
That's
turned-
one scary hard.
I was trying to scare you.
Yeah.